Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see a super fantastic 4D live wallpaper application called Pixel 4D Live Wallpaper, which is super. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just get into the video. So download the Pixel 4D Live Wallpaper application from the Play Store. It's one of the best 4D live wallpaper that available on the Play Store. So while you just opening the home screen, you can find all the different type of trending 4D live wallpapers on the first page. So here it also mentioned as free and also the pro version. So you can find all the featured on the top. You can just swipe it and you can just click on it to make this wallpaper on your mobile phone. So it will be shows you can also search the different wallpaper. For example, you can just search as flower, you can just search as superheroes like that, and you can find all the 4D wallpapers. Just click on the wallpaper first. You can just preview it like this and you just click on the get it and it will be on your home screen. So this have a high definition and 4K and HD wallpapers with the 4D effect. You can see there is a lot of wallpaper options on this particular application. You can also the depth of the 4D effect will be mind-blowing. You can have a look like in my home screen. So while just moving my mobile phone, you have a full 4D effect with have a depth in the character. So it's actually amazing. While you just keep your phone have a different unique wallpapers, so the Pixel 4D is best one of among that. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.